Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: x power 3 plus x equal to 30. Now x power 3 plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now x power 3 plus x minus 27 minus 3. This 30 can be split like this, equal to 0. X power 3 minus 27 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now x power 3 minus 27 can be written as 3 power 3 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we know that a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. X minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 3 square. This one we have to write plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to take this x minus 3 and x minus 3 common out. So x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9 plus this is 1 equal to 0. Now x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is x minus 3 equal to 0. Other one is x square plus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Here x equal to 3. This is the 1x. Here we are going to apply quadratic equation formula that x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 10, x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 10 by 2 into 1. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus this is 40 by 2. Now x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 31, which is 9 minus 40 is 31 by 2. Now x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 times of square root of minus 1. We are taking minus out from this square root by 2. Now x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 into I. This minus 1 square root is I by 2. X equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31 I by 2. This is the x2 comma x3 will be minus 3 minus square root of 31 I by 2. These are the values. X equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 3 plus square root of 31I by 2, x3 equal to minus 3 minus square root of 31I by 2. These are the possibles of this equation.